Here we're going to have a look at how to do exercise 2G, question 7, and these questions all rely on this circle theorem number 1, which says that the angle in the centre is half of the angle out on the circumference. So having a look here, here's my 150. Okay, now I've got two different triangles, for want of a better word, here, and it gets a little bit confusing. Let's first of all just have a look at this one, ADC. There it is here. 150 out in the centre, which means this is half of 150. Half of 150, 75 degrees, so that's 75 there. The other triangle, let's draw over him, which is here, ABC. It's not really a triangle, but you know what I mean. It's still got this centre angle of 150, which means this angle here is still going to be half of it, which is 75. Okay, so even though it looks more confusing, it's no more difficult than down here. Same with this one. Let's have a look at ABC here. Okay, there's 115. This angle in here is going to be half of 115, which is going to be 57.5 degrees. The other part of this is exactly the same. Here we've got, even though it looks slightly different, I've still got a point on the circumference and the centre, and they're subtended or closed in by this same arc, which is what the rule is. Subtended by the same arc, the point and the centre, so that both of these are closed in by the same arc, which is what's going on here. So if that's 115, this is half of 115, which is 57.5 degrees. Up here, if I know this is 85, using this rule in reverse, I know that that angle out there is 85 doubled, which is 170. So there's 170 because this one's 85. I can then use that to find this ABD. It's going to be half of 170, which, as I already know, is 85 from there. Moving over to question 8. Just get rid of those. We need to find angle ABC, which is there, that one there. Okay, so in order to find that one, I need to know this one. So if I do 360 for that whole rotation in the centre, take off 160, I've got an angle of 200 here. Then I'm going to half 200, which of course is 100. That angle in there is going to be 100 degrees. I'm going to do exactly the same for part B. Take 171 away from 360, get your answer, halve it, and that will give you your angle up here. This one here, if I know that that's 80 there, I know that this is 160. If I know that's 160, I can then work out this one. I can then halve that one.